Welcome to Taxonomy Online. Once again, we are on the topic calculus differentiation. This time around with the quotient rule, rational function. So if I have a function y as a function of u over v, where both the u and v are functions of x, then the differentiation is going to be dy dx is going to be, I am going to hold the u function, the denominator, then I will multiply it by the differentiation of the u, the numerator, minus holding the numerator, multiplying it with the differentiation of the denominator. Then all the functions are going to be divided by what? The v squared. So if in case I have y equals to 2x plus 3 over x minus 5, we can see that this is function of x, this is a function of x. So we let the numerator become u. So here we just say let u equals to 2x plus 3. The u is a numerator. Alright, so now we can also perform differentiation of the u with respect to what? X. And that is going to be nothing but what? 2. If we differentiate the constant, you get 0. So this will give us 1. Then if u is a numerator, then our v is going to be x minus 5. So in that case, if I differentiate v with respect to x, I'll also have nothing but what? 1. Because if I differentiate the constant, I get 0. If I differentiate x term, I get only the coefficient, which is what? 1. So now we have all the 4 terms. We know that this is the v, this square. So we are going to put in that into our formula. So it's going to be dy dx equals to v function, which is now our x minus 5, multiplying the differentiation of u, which is going to be 2. Let me use bracket. We can put it before. Then minus the u function, which is 2x plus 3, all in bracket, multiplying the differentiation of v, which is just going to be 1. All this function is divided by the square of v, which is going to be x minus 5 all squared. So now we are done with the quotient rule. What is left is just arithmetic, expanding, multiplying, adding. So here, this 2 is multiplying this. So I am going to have 2x minus 10. This 1 is multiplying this and this. But I can bring the 1 in front. So meaning it is negative 1 multiplying the positive 2x and 3. So negative 1 times this will give you minus 2x. Negative 1 times positive 3 will give you minus 3. Then all of this is on x minus 5 squared. You can see that this is 2x minus 2x. As I group like terms, it will cancel. Then minus 10 minus 3, that becomes minus 13 all over x minus 5 all squared. So this will be the answer if I'm asked to differentiate that using the quotient rule. Easy, right? All you need to know that the numerator is your u, and there are times that the numerator or the denominator will have a square. Then you go in with chain rule, solve it as a chain rule, then bring it back into the formula. Then you are good to go. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your colleagues or those people you think that may need it, so that they will also learn from it. The YouTube channel still remains Taxonomy Online Mathematics, and I am your teacher, Gakpo Fred. See you in the next episode.